Why am I already tired? All I did was unbox. Oh. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's supposed to be 16. 13, 14, 15, 16. There. All 16 dolls. We ready. I wish I had a freaking remote control for every time I put this. Alright. Alright, we got
hammer and 4 dolls into these 4 hole string show.
I forgot the hammer. I'll be back. Oh goodness. Alright, back with the hammer. Basically says take these wood dolls and hammer them into these ends. Now, does it matter which end? I don't think so, but let me make sure. IKEA's directions, y'all, is basically just pictures, and if you're not looking at the picture correctly, child, yeah, I don't think it makes a difference of which side, so we're just gonna do just like, and Lord, please don't let me hammer my finger in. I don't know how far it's supposed to go. So let me look at this video to see how far he's got them in here. Okay, as you can see, I got the wood dolls hammered in like the video says, and now it says to take the last 4 and go ahead and hammer them into both of these sides. So that is what I am about to do. And then we'll have the first step down, guys. Let's go ahead and hammer those. Maybe I should be doing it like this. I hope I'm able to get both of these done today because I'm so ready to get this closet going. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Yes, another home vlog. This is like what, part 3 of the building my luxury on a budget walk-in IKEA closet hack, IKEA pack system. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. My name is Giiiiirlll. I am out of breath. I'm sorry, y'all. And I've only done like 3 steps and I'm already out of breath. But nevertheless, I realized I was doing this little montage and I did not properly come on and introduce the vlog. So, hey girl, hey, what's up to all my oldies but goodies? What's up? Welcome back. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, my name is Giiiiirlll. I love to film anything home decor, lifestyle vlogs, girly vlogs, home decor hauls, in-store shop with me videos at our favorite stores, Home Goods, Ross, At Home, you know, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, pretty much all things home decor and lifestyle. So if you're into that type of vibe, me and the girlies would love for you to join the family and be a part of the tribe. So don't forget before you leave to tap that subscription button and subscribe today. Turn bell notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my uploads. So y'all can already see from the ongoing little introductory preview montage that this is part 3 from the title, of course, of building luxury on a budget, my walk-in bookcase. I am in my game room and I have y'all set up. I'm actually probably going to take another little break here. Like I said, ignore everything in the background, y'all. This game room is like that's gonna be another, it's in transition. We've gotten some new pieces. Y'all may be able to see a bookcase or two in the back. So those are some other IKEA bookcases that no, I did not put together, but needless to say, that is not what this vlog is about. It's not about this game room, but yeah, I'll be creating some more home decor like vlogs with, you know, restructuring, reorganizing, getting this part of the home together. But nevertheless, we've added some touches. We're not done. We're gonna get back to building these bookcases. So I'm looking at this online tutorial here at YouTube University, and also reading the instructions. So I'm gonna actually put y'all, I'm trying to see how I'm gonna set y'all up so we can go ahead and finish this first part. So let's go ahead and zoom in, and I'm probably gonna cue the, you know, music over here in just a little bit. Y'all, I'm not trying to expose y'all to, you know, my bootay or nothing, but child, we working hard over here on this Sunday. We working hard. So all right, back to it. Let me see what's next. What your girl gotta do next? Because we got the dial, I got the screws in, so gotta see what's next. Oh, okay, I see the difference. So we're going to, it looks like we're going to be taking these shelves and doing that part next, according to this IKEA booklet. All right, let me move y'all down so y'all can see what's going on. Okay, so now we're going to get 12 of these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, all 12 screws.
Next, bring the 2 side panels and put them into this orientation. Just make sure that these curved edges are in this location and are facing outwards. Also grab 12 of these screws.
Okay.
Then screw in the 12 screws into these 12 holes. It's going to look something like this.
Which holes? Did you do the inner ones? Hold on, not a boss. You did so fast. 12. Let's screw these, they say, right? 1, 2. I'm about to move, y'all. He say screw them in. That's this instruction right here. We're on page, what, 2? That's where we're at, doing these screws into here. Okay, so Lord, I hope I don't mess this up. So all right, let me move y'all too. I need a break. I was looking at these instructions, and let me show you. I was looking at this picture right here, and I was like, okay, what's the difference? Like, I don't think I have been the best with, like, you remember in school they used to show those pictures and you used to have to circle what like the differences were, and I would get a few, but after, you know, I wasn't the best, I'll just say that. But I do see now what the difference is. They want you to have the rough surface part somewhere. It looks like how this picture is, and not the smooth surface. So that's what we're going to be doing next. I'm just going to follow along as well with him on this video. So
now let's focus on the right panel.
okay,
grab a thin piece of wood you worked on before and attach it to the right panel as shown.
oh, the thin. Oh, not even this one. Okay, so the rough part is going to go upwards. We're about to do that. Can y'all see? The rough part is gonna go up, and it looks like it goes on the bottom. So I got the bottom. Y'all, I am taking my time because like I say, honey, this ain't my forte, but let's see but okay, this is the front. Let me turn y'all. Oh, come on, Kim. Oh no. It looks like it says, okay, that's the front, how he got, and then y'all, how does he, oh, he got it like this. But wait, okay, both of them are rough. Okay, I guess that doesn't matter. All right, so that's gonna go like that. Let me see what he said.
Next, grab one of the shelves and
so what I do, push it in? Oh, y'all. Okay, I'm all right, y'all. I'm getting somewhere. All right, so he said grab the middle shelf, and we on that part of the instruction at the bottom. All right, so he said grab that shelf, just make sure probably that rough side is at the, but which way is supposed to go? Oh, okay, because this is gonna be the back and this gonna be the front. I got it, y'all. I got it. I think I got it. But if that's gonna be the back, wait, I have a question. Oh, this then is the, okay, I think I got it. Finish it, finish. Okay, so the right side. Out of breath already. So now we got to get these little flat screws here and put these flat screws, it looks like, underneath each one of these that's in here. Now that's going to be tedious, so let me see where I'm going to put y'all. Probably sit y'all up. Whew, over here. And y'all, I need some more water. Yes, I do. Y'all see these holes? We're going to put those little... Now that's weird because this one looks like it's a little off. Oh, I just need to move it back. Okay, we need to put those. He did the bottom one last. So just need to put those little screws. Okay, the plastic fasteners. We're gonna put those in the holes. So let me go get those. All right. I'm gonna do 4 at a time because it looks like it is 4 on each one. So got the first 4. And we'll put that up there. And do, say, the little fasteners. Whew. I think I'm gonna get 8 cups of water in today for sure. Okay, this is why you gotta sometime read the instruction. I was only supposed to do these ones first because that's where the screw is. Look, yeah, that's where the screw is at the bottom, and I think it is kind of trying to show to do, because I think once we put this one on top, then we'll do the top ones. Yeah, and we haven't gotten there yet, so this is gonna be when we put the top one on. And then I'm gonna go back with the remaining 1 2 3 4 5 with the remaining 6. So this is to secure the screws that we drilled in. All right, so let me do that, because see, he didn't specifically say that. And y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I can't see. I don't know if I do need to see, but let's see. I have to get down here to see, child. Alright. There we go. There we go. All right, let me put the other ones and then come back when we put the top on. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? I can't come your man. You just a fan. Jumping around me, nigga, ain't a plan, but I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time with it heal. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down, but you wanna love me down. Ray can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Take it like you owe me something. Like it's nothing. Everywhere I go, they got it. Jumping. Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you meet? That's how we down the club into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic when all right, at this point, it is time for a break. Before I put the backing on, because I feel like we're at 50% once I put the backing on. It is the doors and the shelves. I do believe that will be the last part, but before I put the doors on, which will be the last thing with the shelves, I'm actually gonna move this piece into the closet first, and then we'll finish up in the closet. But if you need a break like me, grab yourself a drink and then head back. All right, I'm back. They said draw 2 center lines, or draw lines in the center of the shelf. In front of the video, he basically said that that's going to be helpful for when you get ready to nail the back end. So let me go ahead and do that now. I think he did it something like this. Child, don't let me get some line. How did he do this? I really can't see this though. I think my I guess I did that right, child. Look, that's the best I got, honey. It's the best I got. With the pencil I got. We're to the point where I needed to go get a ruler. So don't know where my ruler is. I'm gonna measuring tape, and where I made that mark in the middle, basically I'm gonna draw some more marks where the nails are actually going. It's 18 total nails that will be nailing. I probably don't really even need to do this, but I guess so it could be even, we'll go ahead and do this. I don't know why does it look like, I don't know what's up with that, but anyway, let's go ahead and do that.
Side wind, straightforward. Unside, no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes and tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay it beside me. Hate time, chasing the rewind. Hate time. I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me.
Okay, you guys, I got one now, so this is the thing. I've got to move this to the bedroom. And I'm kind of being right. Oh, I messed up. Alright, I gotta fix this nail that I completed. Alright, now it looks like the nails are right. Let me just double check, and then we're going to the closet. Alright, it's right. Wood glue. Alright. I think I can pick this up. To turn this the opposite way. This is gonna be so cute, y'all, when I finally get it all done. Okay. more. Push it till I can't go no more. All right, y'all, the vision is coming through. You hear me? OMG, y'all, the vision is coming through. The vision is coming through. I just cannot wait till I put the extenders up there. We're gonna put some little motion lights, have a few of my cute bags up there on display. Definitely gonna get all my shoes in here. I'm gonna make sure I order some extra shelves, and then we'll have an overflow of what goes over here. I don't know, maybe I'll make this like some jewelry or something, or also maybe it will be like my jeans. I was thinking either my jeans, some more bags, or bags and jewelry when we get in here and finally get to organizing, but we ain't there yet. All right, do y'all see the vision finally coming through? I do see the vision finally coming through. I am super proud of myself because y'all, building anything is not my forte. I don't know, I'm always screwing something up. Maybe I just don't read instructions very well. I don't follow instructions very well. But I am proud of myself. I got that one done. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to go ahead and, now that I've done one, to go ahead and do the second one. I might as well, now that the sun is still out. We won't be doing any organizing of any sort today. This was just, in this part 3, putting together the bookcases. Look, girly, if you are out there like me and building is not your forte, honey, if I could do it, you can too. I just want to encourage you that, give you a little bit tidbit that you can do it too. YouTube University, that's who taught me, and pay attention to the instructions as well. Now that I did one, the second one should be a little bit easier through. Of course, it took me a little bit longer, I think, but of course, because I was filming, moving the camera and of that sort. So I am going to go ahead and close out the home vlog part 3 of this IKEA Billy Bookcase Packs Luxury, what is it, DIY on a budget home vlog out. Stay tuned for, I think the last part will be me just doing touch-ups. I'll probably do some touch-ups tonight. So the last part obviously will be part 4, and you'll see me organizing everything and putting everything together and giving y'all a final reveal of just the right side, which is going to be the Billy Bookcase. We're going to be doing the pack system on my left side a little bit later on, probably in the fall or at the end of the summer. So stay tuned for that if you want to see that. Of course, throughout the next couple of weeks, I'll have a few probably hauls and or shop with me kind of in-store videos. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, turn bell notifications on, and I hope you girlies enjoyed this home vlog. I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna get out of here and put together this other bookcase. Love you. Peace. So I'm basically doing this all over again. Click like and subscribe, and I love you guys. See you in the next one.